Oh, hi YouTube, this is ST7581 doing ratchet and clank all for one. I guess just more randomness. The main reason I'm making this is because I did one earlier, and guess what? My computer died right when it was almost done uploading. It was at like 95%, then it just died and I lost everything. So yeah, what you didn't see, I don't know if there's a way to recover the video, probably not. If there is, I'll try. Yeah, just random play.
Clyde must have set up safeguards to keep the collectors away. We'll rewrite your Guardian's directive matrix to transport you to the Exploratorium Power Station. If you restore the power, the system should reset and remove the lockdown. Those Guardian cannons should still work. Better hop on in case we get any visitors along the way. That barrier is being protected by two shield generators. Take them out, and you should be on your way.
I'm ratchet.
Razor Moss!
Like a weird version of Star Fox.
Razor Moss. Looks like we found some more info on Dr. Croyd. His original ephemeris design was on file in the Magnus Hall of Research, but it was only built to carry a single occupant. Evo must have made some modifications. Razor Moss!
I care about the moth, I care about the thing with guns.
Looks like Croyd equipped those towers with fusion cannons and neutralized them.
Yeah, I gotta shut up, robot. Well, can't we just walk this thing up to the enemy collector thing and plow it down? Where's that thing at?
Concentrate fire on the fusion cannons.
No, no. Take it on the tower. One of the best ratchet and clank games by far, I would say. It's got like the best graphics, and the environment is so interactive. And the thing that's replacing the gas box, I can't remember what it's called. It will interact with its environment. Say you're fighting a boss and say, I shall kill you, insert boss name.
We must neutralize those fusion cannons.
I don't want to play. Oh. She's shooting it. Like for our shooting us. As a result, our robot is nearly dead. I'm not going to walk around this.
The power station's just ahead. Keep going, rookies.
It's not over yet. This game is too mean to let it be over yet.
That Guardian's stuck on murder mode!
Oh, there you go. Shoot, 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 shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh, Lily got caught. Yeah, I hope that doesn't happen again.
Whoa, that was awesome! Clank, did you keep it? Ratchet, a Guardian robot is not a pet.
Aww, what a detail! It's cool.
I'm over here!
You shoot the power source.
I'm picking up another Guardian!
Exemplary work, Mr. Guardian.
Crap, 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 crap. Come on, Blake, you need to kick this guy if we go through this.
Looks like this one brought some friends. I think now would be a good time to get to that power station.
Hang on! He's going for it!
Oh, this is not going to end very well. Oh, he's going to sacrifice himself. Oh. Insomniac, you jerk. Insomniac, you are jerks. I wanted to keep him. Made him sacrifice himself. I'm sad right now. What's it?
Hollow Diary 004. It has been 50 years since Mr. Dinkles was taken, and my rescue plan has backfired in a most disastrous way. The directive matrix that restricts ephemeris to this planet has been deleted. The onboard surveillance camera shows that this was no accident. This was Nevo's doing. This is twice he has taken what does not belong to him. Only now, he has something that will allow him to expand his plan beyond the confines of Magnus. And now, Ephemeris grows under Nevo's control. He's modifying it for interplanetary travel, extending his reach further and further into the cosmos. Soon, there will be no stopping him. I can wait no longer. I must venture to Uzo City for a long overdue confession, and to convince the Tharpods to stop my old friend. At all costs. We must succeed, for if we fail, dark times will befall the planet. Or worse, the universe itself.
Dramatic. Very dramatic. I want to get a new weapon. I've been playing as Cork, so I have no weapons for Ratchet yet. It's been a while I was playing as him. Mr. Zorkon, that's the robot's name.
Gotta love these new toys. From portable singularity synthesizers to blue matter particle generators, every exploratorium project requires one thing: power. This station is equipped with a sophisticated AI we named the Steward. Quite helpful should a Tharpod find him or herself without their companion creature.
See if you can restore the power. That ought to reset the system and remove the lockdown.
Exploratorium employees detected. Initiating energy restoration tutorial, version 2.1.
Yay!
Place ion conduit securely in open power socket.
That goes there. So, find it in place. Oh, crap. You know what? Die, Clank.
Sorry, Clank.
Not sorry. Clank has caused me a lot of pain in my other recording days. Oh.
You ready, pal? I am ready.
Yeah, that clarity is much better.
Redirect energy path using power director.
Ratchet, can you grab that power director?
No. I cannot play. So it looks like I got the graphic repaired, or the problem with the graphics fixed, I guess. No, I mean not graphics, so the quality of the recording is a little better, pretty much. That's what I'm trying to say. Hard to play anything. I guess I just have to work on the audio in my recordings now. I don't know. Oh, stupid. I don't know whether you can hear what the characters in the game are saying. I'm going to try to improve on the quality of the recording too. This is weird. Instead of righty tighty lefty loosies, the other way around. Wait, this thing doesn't open up, does it? No, it does not. It just stays there, pointing the turret in the right direction. Yeah, that's what it does.
Ratchet, can you grab that power director?
No. You have to do it, Frank. I'll do another recording after this and play You get a team in the very support. Or directly choosing your partner is always playing. So